In this lesson, I will explain to you empty list is false. And here I have written some information about empty list is false. Here we are going to use the while loop, and after while you have to write down the variable name. So here I have written that in a conditional, an empty list will evaluate false. What is the meaning of it? So here I have set an example. Color underscore type is my variable name, and this is the list. So I have used two print function. If you want, you can delete this. But for this print function, it will print all the names green, yellow, and red. And then I have used the while loop. After while, you have to write down the variable name. And this is again my print function. So see here, I have used dot pop. Dot pop function, what it does, it will delete the last item and then second last and so on. So when I will run it, you will see that with the help of my first print function, it will print green, yellow, and red. And then this one, see, this is my literal, my string, color type dot pop. So first of all, it will delete red. So red popped, and then we have green and yellow. Then yellow popped, then we have green. Then green popped, and then we have a empty list, which is our topic. After empty list, the while loop will finish. It will exit or it will end. So this is the meaning of empty list is false. It will delete one by one, but at the end when we have the empty list, the loop exit. So same coding, but here I have delete my second print function and my literal. So see, you will see only the output. First red will pop, then yellow, and then green. So simple. Now your practice work is add few more color and then run it. It will delete one by one, and at the end you will see the while loop will exit. Practice it. See you in the next lesson, and thank you.